Hi Stellars! Welcome back to Tarot PH. Meron po tayong reading para sa ating mga Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of January 2025. So, tingnan natin ang mga oracle cards na ginamit or napili. We have Torch, Spiritual Development, Enlightenment, Awareness, and Understanding. We have Cracked Cup, Dissatisfaction with Life. We have Proposal po ito. Ayan. Kapag tinaas ko kasi masyadong maliwanag. An offer or proposal in the near future that comes as a surprise. Ayan. Wow. And meron tayong inheritance para sa ating Scorpio. Learn from the past, inherit wisdom for the future. So, nakikita ko dito, parang nakikita ko lang na ang daming shift sa inyong energy, no? Meron sa inyo mga feeling hopeless, no? Parang hindi kayo talaga nagkakaroon ng motivation lately kasi parang feeling nyo dead end na, parang ganon, and hindi na magpro-progress yung mga wishes nyo o yung mga hinaing nyo sa buhay na sana mangyari sa akin to, sana mangyari yan, yung mga ganon. So, as you inherit the wisdom in the past or wisdom for the future, yan, no? Learn from the past, ano yung mga past mistakes or past mistakes ng parents, ng grandparents, yan. And wisdom kasi is the greatest inheritance, no? Kung hindi man kayo rich in monetary sense, no? A wisdom from the past will give you that sense of direction, no? And nakikita ko merong surprise sa inyo ang universe. May possibility may magkaroon ng job opportunity at magkaroon din ng love offer. Someone will invite you for a dinner, for a date, for a hangout, or mag-videokehan kayo, ganyan, or kumain kayo sa samgyupsal, unlimited, diba? There is a surprise na mangyayari in the near future. So, mararamdaman nyo na yan in the month of January. Something will shift. Parang nakakita ko dito turning tables, no? Yun ang overall energy na napapansin ko dito. As long as you are aware na nangyayari ang changes sa buhay mo, ang mga taong napapansin ka or mga taong gusto kang kausapin, yan, they will invite you sooner or later. So, this is your reading. Scorpio, thank you so much for watching.